What's going on YouTube? I want to show you this Foluu case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. I worked all night, about 13 hours last night, but I used this case all night, so I want to come home and do a quick review before I pass out. So I just want to show you this case because I was able to pick it up for about $11 on Amazon and got it in just a couple of days. So I know what the shortage is in the back orders. This might be a quick temporary solution until we get them higher end cases we want. So I went ahead and picked it up and just wanted to kind of show it to y'all and talk about it a little bit. There is a few things I really like about this case, so I'm going to show it to you here, kind of unbox it a little bit like the way I got it. So the first thing I love this front piece. It's separate from the back, so that means I can reuse this piece with other backs, and I really think I'm going to like that. This back piece, it does have adhesive on it, and it does have a piece of leather. Looks like it's probably just glued on there, you know, but it is pretty nice and it is pretty durable. I had it in my pocket and used it last night and had no issues with it. It actually felt kind of comfortable. I knew I had a little something in there besides a piece of plastic, so I thought that was, you know, kind of good. So this one also has some adhesive on the one edge. Is starting to come off a little bit, but I might just take a little bit of that off, but it fits really tight. I had no issues with it being loose all night, and I used it off and on throughout the night, which worked out really well. Now I'm going to kind of zoom in and clean this off a little bit and kind of show you all how it fits together. Another thing I like about this, I don't have to push and pull to get these things on. Kind of just snaps right on. It's really nice, and it snaps off just the same. There's got a little tab point where you can just grab that and pop it off and on, and look at it, it just fits on there nice. Now I'm going to show you kind of the fit, and I keep wiping it off. Sorry, my fingerprints drive me crazy, but it fits on there really good. It feels good. You know, the leather's not the most attractive thing, but for temporary solution, it's a lot better than that folio floppy junk I got from Samsung. So they need to stay in the business of making phones and not phone cases. So I just want to kind of show you the edges, and I do want to point out another feature that's really I found out was really good. So when you close it and you go to open it, there is a slight seam where the buttons are, and it's ridged just a little bit, and it's just enough so you can grab it with your finger. So I'm going to zoom in and show it to you. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a little ridge there behind the buttons, and it's perfect for grabbing your finger. So I was able to open it at that point with no problem. It's very nice. If you try to open it at the top or the bottom, it's all rounded and it's tight fitting. You really can't do it. You can if you put enough pressure, but right there, just gently opens. I really did like that, and I'm gonna enjoy using this until I get my higher end cases. The seam there fits really well too. It's nice and tight when it's open, and all the little buttons and all the holes and everything line up perfectly. There's no issues at all. Speakers open up, sound good. You can charge it with the cable, and it also is wireless charging compatible. So I've had no trouble doing any of that. But I just want to tell you all about that. I hope it can save someone some aggravation and some money. It's very inexpensive, and it'll wait for the other cases till we get them later. Well, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.